By working through the back of a stitch, you're intentionally twisting it to create a different effect. To knit into the back of a knit stitch, insert the tip of the right-hand needle down into the back of the stitch and at the back of the needle. Bring the yarn around and pull it back through to create the new stitch and slide it off. Let's do that again. You go down into the back of the stitch, yarn around, pull it through and slide it off. Let's look to see where that back strand is again. You can see the front strand sits higher at the front and the back strand sits slightly lower. So we need to go down into the stitch there and then knit the stitch. Let's find that back strand again. I'll push that front one down. You can see the back leg of the stitch is there. Go down into it and around. Down, around and pull it through. And there you can see the twist that it creates. It creates slightly tighter stitches and it's used to create various different effects in your knitting.